You do not need paid Kling AI credits to create cinematic motion control videos. In this video, I will show you multiple free AI platforms that let you create smooth camera movements, professional motion control, and cinematic results without paying anything. And at the end, I will show you how creators are monetizing these videos. Motion control AI videos are everywhere right now. Ads, YouTube Shorts, Reels, and client work. But most people stop when they see credit limits, paywalls, or expensive subscriptions. What most creators don't realize is that several platforms offer free access with similar motion control features. Before we start, quick clarification. Nothing in this video is hacked, illegal, or fake. All tools mentioned are legitimate platforms that offer free credits, trials, or public access. Now, let's get into the tools. Tool 1. Free motion control platform. The first platform allows you to create cinematic camera movement with AI, completely free. You can control zoom, pan, tilt, and camera direction to create professional motion shots. This tool is ideal for cinematic scenes, storytelling videos, and AI short films. The free version already gives you enough access to create high-quality videos. Tool 2. Best for short-form content. The second platform is perfect for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. It offers free daily credits and smooth motion transitions. This is especially useful if you want to post consistently without paying for credits. Many creators use this tool to build theme pages and automation channels. Tool 3. Underrated but extremely powerful. The third platform supports advanced camera movement, high-quality exports, and cinematic motion effects. You can generate multiple videos per day for free. This is one of the closest free alternatives to Kling motion control. Tool 4. Bonus option. This bonus tool focuses on creative motion rather than realism. It is great for artistic videos, abstract motion scenes, and stylized content. If you want unique visuals that stand out on social media, this tool is worth using. Comparison insight. Optional B-roll section. While Kling is powerful, it is not the only option. For beginners and faceless creators, these free tools are more than enough to create professional-level motion videos. What matters most is consistency, creativity, and how you use the output. Now, let's talk about money. Creators use these motion control videos for short-form content monetization, AI advertisements for small businesses, YouTube automation channels, and freelance services on Fiverr and Upwork. Freelancers charge anywhere from $50 to $150 per video. When scaled, this can reach several $1,000s per month, depending on skill and consistency. This is not a get-rich-quick method. You will need to practice, test prompts, and improve your results. But if you start now, you're early compared to most creators. All the tools mentioned are linked in the description. If this video helped you, like and subscribe for more AI creator strategies. Comment AI if you want a full step-by-step guide on monetizing motion control videos. Thanks for watching.